How to Clear Negative Energy Fast, a step-by-step guide. Welcome, I'm Kimberly Dawn with CrystallineSanctuary.com. If you've been feeling weighed down lately by invisible heaviness, emotional tension, or energy that just doesn't feel like yours, you're in the perfect place. Whether it's energetic cords, past life residue, collective noise, or emotional clutter, today's transmission is here to help you clear it fast and with grace. In this video, I'll be sharing not just practical steps, but a channel transmission from the Seraphim Angel Healing Team, a deeply sacred process to help you cleanse your field, realign with your highest light, and restore calm within minutes. Everything I share is energetically encoded with crystalline frequencies that continue working through your system long after the video ends. This is a safe space for highly sensitive souls, light workers, and those that are awakening to their true divine nature. If you've been carrying what's not yours, or simply need a reset to return to your center, you are held here. No spiritual perfection needed, just presence, trust, and your willingness to receive. So take a breath, settle into your heart, allow this to be a turning point, a soft, powerful recalibration into clarity and light. Let's begin. Seraphim Angel Healing Team, channeled transmission. Beloved soul, the density you've been feeling is not a personal flaw. It is simply unalchemized energy asking for light. The seraphim gather now, wings very wide, weaving ribbons of gold through every layer of your aura. Feel the first wave, a cool crystalline mist sweeping old thought forms from the surface of your mind. Feel the second wave, a warm solar current flushing heavy cords from your solar plexus and heart. You are already lighter. Notice how your breath unclenches at the edges. We pour diamond light through the crown, meeting the earth star beneath your feet in perfect symmetry. Any energies that do not serve your highest timeline now dissolve into harmless pixels of light, returning to source. The seraphic tone hums through your cells, retuning them to autonomy and peace. Where there was confusion, we seed clarity. Where there was fear, we anchor calm knowing. Where there was blame, we install compassionate neutrality. Watch as stagnant patterns fall away like spent petals in a gentle wind. Your field is now a living chalice, capable of self-clearing in real time. Breathe in the remembrance that you were never truly contaminated, only momentarily shadowed. And so the grid around you locks into place, sealed in Christed truth and seraphic grace. The earth shifts happening right now, intensified. Solar plasma is cracking old timelines wide open. Expect sudden epiphanies. Gaia's crystalline core is emitting higher octave resonance, urging all surface life to shed density quickly. Collective emotional purges can feel like static in the air. This is global heart space detox. How I work with the Seraphim Angel Healing Team. Daily sacred invocation opens a protected channel. We scan your light body holographically, locating knots of distortion. Seraphic frequencies plus Christed codes recode those knots into neutral light. Grounding protocols seal the work so you leave sessions clear, not airy. What you may feel in response: tingling at the crown or soles of your feet, gentle heat in the chest as heart walls soften, unexpected tears or laughter releasing stagnant emotion, a sudden urge to tidy, detox, or stand barefoot on the earth. These are all normal. Sip water, rest, and let integration complete. What you can do now: 3 breath reset. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale with a whispered ah. And repeat. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhaled with a whispered ah. Sweep your hands down your body. Your aura 3 times, commanding return to light. Return to light. Return to light. Journal 1 sentence. I allow what nourishes my highest timeline. Play the audio on low while you rest. Let the tones work subconsciously. The Crystalline Sanctuary is opening a 3-day free trial. The doors to the Crystalline Sanctuary are about to open. If your soul has felt the pull to go deeper, to remember more, to retrieve the gifts long buried beneath timelines, this sacred space is for you. The sanctuary is now open or almost open. It might be open by the time you see this on June 27th for a complimentary 3-day immersion into sacred recalibration. Inside, you'll find nighttime Seraphim healings, a light code library you can stream 24/7, written transmissions to anchor weekly recalibration, self-diagnosis tools to help you gently uncover where energetic support is most needed, high frequency energy forecasts, living scrolls, and a private heart-centered community for kindred souls walking the path beside you. Step inside and feel whether the sanctuary, this sacred frequency, is your soul's home. Your golden key awaits at crystallinesanctuary.com. How the light codes work in these audios: encoded frequencies are layered beneath my voice. The conscious mind hears calm teaching. The subtle bodies receive quantum repatterning. Each replay strengthens neural pathways of peace and sovereignty. Codes self-adapt, so beginners and seasoned light workers both receive exactly what is next for them. You can see on the wall here, if you soften your gaze and enter into your heart space, you can see light codes dancing off of the wall. That's the light codes from the Seraphim Angel Healing Team off of this blue. And that's the light codes being sent to you. And that's what also they speak of when they talk about tones. It's light codes, tones through my voice, and light codes mixed all throughout the video, sending frequencies through you to you. The affirmations for today: I release what is not mine with grace and speed. You're welcome to place your hand on your heart. I release what is not mine with grace and speed. My field is sovereign, crystalline, and self-repairing. I am safe to expand into my highest light now. Final transmission from the Seraphim Angel Healing Team. Beloved, the quickening you seek is already within you. Stand in a beam of sunlight. Whisper your yes and watch heaviness melt like morning fog. We walk with you, wings tip to shoulder, until the day you remember you were always light. You were always the light.